Welcome back everyone. In this new video, we'll see another useful XLOOKUP option you can choose. As a reminder, XLOOKUP is a new and super powerful function introduced by Microsoft for Excel 365 and Excel 2021. If you haven't done so yet, I recommend you watch the previous videos where I show how XLOOKUP works. In this video, I'll assume you know how XLOOKUP works, and I'll focus on the very last optional field you find in the formula bar. I'm talking about search mode. To show you how search mode works, we'll use a slightly different version of the database we're used to see. Here, I just kept 10 securities owned by Warren Buffett. This time, we're not interested in the value of the securities, but in the last time Warren Buffett invested in those securities. We can find the information we need in the investment sheet. As you can see, we have security, date of the investment and value invested, with some investments on the 1st of January 2021, some of them on the 1st of July, and some others on the 1st of January 2022. Please be aware that for this example, I made these numbers up. Do not take them as real. XLOOKUP by default searches top to bottom like VLOOKUP or left to right like HLOOKUP. This is what happens when we do not type anything in search mode. And let's do it. So equal XLOOKUP, we complete the formula with tab, Apple, comma, Control, page down, we move to the investment sheet, we select the lookup array, F4, comma, return array, the investment date, F4, and we do not specify anything else. Close the parenthesis, we press enter, and we have 1st of January 2021. We double click, and we have 1st of January for all the securities, as Warren Buffett invested in all of them in that date, and the XLOOKUP function stops at the first match. To check the last update, let's go into the formula bar. Press F2, we go here at the bottom of the formula, comma, if not found, we're not interested, comma, match mode, exact match works fine, so another comma, and now in match mode, we need to specify -1, search last to first. We press Ctrl and Enter to stay in the cell. And now we double click, and as you see, we have new investment dates. We correctly have 1st of January 2022 for the securities where Warren Buffett invested in 2022, and 1st of July and 1st of January 2021. Since now XLOOKUP stops at the first date it matches from the bottom up. Now, if you got how XLOOKUP works, you understand that you could have just sorted the dates in the source database in the opposite order. And let's do it. If we sort this Z to A, we have the latest dates up and the oldest dates at the bottom. And if we go back, since now we're searching last to first, we're back to 1st of January 2021 for all the securities. The same is true for VLOOKUP. However, we may not want to change or could not change the order of our source database. In this case, switching from first to last to first does the job. And let's type Ctrl Z and go back to the original order and to the correct answer to our question. Finally, in search mode, you also find two binary search options. Let's go back here, search mode, you see binary search, ascending and descending order. To cut it short, you won't need to use them. Binary search is a search algorithm used to speed up calculations if you have sorted values, but the increase of speed is negligible in everyday use. So let's press ask and let's not change that. So we've finally seen all features and available options of XLOOKUP. Once again, XLOOKUP is an amazing new function that will ultimately replace VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and the index match combination. As most transitions, it will take time. You will still find old workbooks with VLOOKUP or index match, so you'll still have to know how they work for a while. But workbook after workbook, they will slowly disappear, and I encourage you to be part of the change and start using XLOOKUP right now. And this is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date with the newest releases. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.